Hi. Did you think you got left? You're okay.
Here comes the
Boy! Hello, boy! Welcome! Here he comes! There he is! Here comes the boy! Welcome! There he goes! Here he comes! There he is! Welcome, boy! Here's the boy!
Here's the bill for the vet today. Not really sure how you're going to pay that one. You do actually live here rent-free. I do buy your groceries. So, maybe get a job, contribute to society a little bit. This is getting ridiculous, dude.
She needs to help here. Okay, I'm gonna save you.
Wee!
Dum dum
Wee!
dum dum
Wee!
dum dum
Wee!